Hello, my name's Daniel here at Blackburn Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Audi A1 Sportback Sport. It comes finished in the radiant Python yellow metallic paint. It features the 1 litre TFSI petrol engine producing 95 PS, paired with the tronic automatic gearbox for an efficient yet nippy driving experience. It sits very nicely on 16-inch alloy wheels. You've got LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. In the boot you'll find 335 litres of space. This can be increased to 1090 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have your lovely cloth interior featuring the fun pattern in the centre of the seats. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seats so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you have your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position. On your multifunction steering wheel to the left you have controls to adjust the virtual cockpit, and to the right there's controls to adjust the infotainment system. On your virtual cockpit you've got access to different driving data like your average fuel consumption, as well as your audio and telephone menus. Centered here in the dashboard you have your touchscreen infotainment system, providing you with access to DAB, FM and AM radio. Alternatively, in the media section you can play your own music with USB input and Bluetooth connectivity. You've got your telephone menu where you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls, and there's even Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility so you can access compatible applications from your phone directly on the touchscreen. Below your touchscreen you have your air conditioning, which is nice and simple to use. Here in the centre console you have your automatic gear selector along with your handbrake and 2 cup holders. Thanks for watching this walk round video of this approved used Audi A1 Sportback Sport finished in Python yellow. For more information please get in contact with a member of our sales team who'd be more than happy to help with your inquiry.